I bring down the sentiments of the people from basically in Australia and to some extent from New Zealand as well. The issues that we have been facing there have been somewhat highlighted, but main ones have been the concerns have been the delays in processes, and we had a community leaders meeting in the High Commissioner organized that, and it was highlighted there. They had the visa processing people, TFS people there, and that session took on such a lot of importance because there were so many questions that people needed answers. There was the talks of excessive fees and also the calls that were not being answered by the High Commission staff, the lack of staff, and also what was highlighted was the behavior of staff from VFS and the officers. The High Commission also promised that made available staff from our office to go to Sydney and get the backlog of all the processing done. So again, most of the issues that have been highlighted are the issues that are currently faced in Australia as well. As we know, there was an honorary council in Perth which has been closed. And Queensland has only an honorary council. And we have councillor offices, of course, in Canberra is the High Commission, and the council office in Sydney. And especially for people from Perth having to travel all the way to Sydney many times to come in person to make applications. All these things have been highlighted, and all the problems facing people just trying to come back home or trying to get their visas. We will probably have more during the question and answer sessions.